white. Peruvian people want to white face.
On Saturday at night, we can go to forum.
Mucho chicas.
Kiss. No, I love her like right now.
It's normal.
Open relationship. You have 2 girlfriends.
Lima 6 girlfriend, here 2 girls.
Wow.
Bonita, bonita.
Sí, ¿no?
Tú bonita.
¿Yo? ¿Tienes pareja?
Novia?
¿Tienes?
클럽에서 만났던 다른 친구를 만나러 가는데요. 이 친구가 뭘 같이 먹자고 하더라고요. 근데 위치는 안 알려주고 뭘 먹으러 가자는 건지는 같이 가서 알아보래요. 비밀이래요, 비밀. 여기 아르마스 광장이 만남의 광장인가봐요. 여기로 오라고 했는데 사람이 너무 많아서 사람을 찾을 수가 없네. Hola, amiga.
How are you?
Sí.
Like we're going to have some like lunch. We're going to eat something.
Oh, you're professional.
No.
You're a TikToker.
No, not
No.
But I have like experience in camera. I've made a theater.
Making.
Yeah, been an actor, like something like that. Yeah.
Actress.
Actress, yeah. Something. Yeah, I was.
Model?
No.
Bonita.
Thank you.
Yeah.
This is an amazing place.
Very good.
Yeah, it's beautiful, right?
Nombre?
Las Gringas. Like here.
Okay.
There's my friend.
Hola.
Xiomara.
Xiomara.
Yeah.
네, 하.
¿Qué tal?
¿Qué? Bien, bien.
Yeah, let's sit there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Here they sell like Peruvian pizza.
Yeah.
And also pasta and also
Spaghetti.
sandwiches, spaghetti, yeah. He's a YouTuber.
Can you speak English?
A little bit.
She does speak.
Yeah, but I'm still learning. So.
No, me too. Sopa ramen.
You want that?
Yeah.
Okay. Pasta? She loves iced mocha.
Yeah, me too. Sweet?
Yeah.
Sweet coffee.
Yeah, so we're deciding. No.
No?
This is like an Indian cigarette. Like this is tobacco. Yeah, and this is cinnamon.
Indian cigarette.
No.
No?
No. He is a worker here.
Yeah.
His name is Cesar.
Nice to meet you.
Where are you from?
Korea desu.
I am from Venezuela.
Tú? Sí?
No.
Peruvian.
Peruvian.
Venezuela.
Do you want pisca?
Pisco?
Like, yeah, we want.
I love alcohol.
Here are a lot of options.
One bottle.
No. Botella. No, like a glass.
But you're very well.
No.
Drink very well.
But that was for the club.
You're
I'm going to order these like with a strong alcohol, you know?
yes. Okay. What do you do?
Okay, so,
I'm a student.
She's same.
no, I'm not student yet.
마당발이네. She have a lot of friends.
Yeah. She's a sociable person. She tells everybody. I'm
그렇게.
Shy person. What have you done here?
문도 알파카.
Okay.
It's free.
it's close to my father's house.
You're no architect.
No, I'm from Arequipa.
I'm from Lima.
Yeah.
Are you from Lima?
Yeah, I moved to Arequipa 3 years ago, and I know.
She knows Mundo Alpaca and I don't. Like Arequipan people, no.
Don't go.
Don't go to those
Yes.
Have you go to the cathedral?
In the?
Yeah.
No, cause I don't like museum. I don't interest in museum.
Okay. You're white.
You are more white.
She says that she's black.
She's black? No.
I think
She's
so.
white. Yeah, we are white.
But you're very white.
Yeah.
You are more white than me.
And you don't know.
Peruvian people want to white face?
Peruvian people is not white.
No. Want to.
To be white?
Yeah, to be.
Okay. I think so. She says that you're racist.
No.
When you said like they want to be white? Yeah.
No.
You're racist. It's amazing. Can we share?
Yeah, of course. Gracias.
It's blueberry. What do you think?
Strong. Like pisco sour.
It's pisco. Pisco with blueberry. See the picture?
Oh.
This is a straw, like eatable. Try?
Delicious. Dulce.
Yeah. We asked for it to be strong.
Yeah. I like strong. Good. No. No strong?
No?
No strong?
No straw is normal for us. Yeah.
Oh my god.
This is strong for you.
No, I'm no strong.
Yeah.
Delicious.
Yeah, it is delicious.
What's your job?
My job is translator.
Yeah.
She studies very hard for her career. Yeah, and she's amazing.
How to your friend?
She's 20 and I'm 18, but we met at the university.
How old people go to normal?
Yeah, 17 to yeah.
Normal 17.
Yeah. We live
The same place?
In dormitory? University?
No, in a apartment. She's my roomie.
University apartment?
No.
No?
We don't have in Peru.
Dormitory.
Yeah. In your country,
Yeah,
they
my
have
country.
an apartment.
In Korea, have dormitory and cheaper.
Okay.
How much apartment per month?
1,000.
Soles? 1,000 soles.
1,000 soles.
Delicious.
Yeah.
Muchas gracias. 라멘. 여기는 라멘을 진짜 한국 라멘으로 주네요.
Yeah?
Yeah. More delicious. Try?
Yeah. Is it spicy?
No spicy.
Good.
Good?
Soy sauce. Yeah, right. Good.
On Saturday at night, we can go to Forum.
Forum. F-O-R-U-M. We want to go to Forum to party.
Party?
Yeah, it's a club. There's a lot of people.
Oh my god.
And really good music. 10 p.m.
9 p.m.
and then go there.
Mucho chicas.
A lot of girls. You like it. But you're
Not
going to like it. Yeah.
Huh?
Nothing.
What you're saying?
No.
No. ¿Por qué?
There's no more beautiful than us. We're
Ah,
beautiful.
okay.
It's a joke.
That's fact.
No. Time. In my opinion, I'm born in Lima, but I moved to Arequipa because it's more safety, it's more clean. The people here really kind. I love Arequipa.
Yes.
Do you like it?
I like Arequipa. Mucho smoker.
Smoker. Alcohol. No. We're not. The best
We're not.
team. We're ladies.
Yeah, you're a beautiful lady.
Aw, thank you. You're very handsome.
You love me.
What?
You need to more healthy.
We are the best friends. She's my sister.
She's my sister.
I love you. I love you.
Oh, I respect lesbian.
Okay.
Kiss, but sometimes it's just like a
Really?
sister thing.
Yeah, it's like a friendship thing.
Huh?
We kiss.
Like a sister thing. You know, I love her. Like she likes boys and I like boys, but we kiss sometimes.
Kiss sometimes?
Yeah.
Peruvian normal?
Yeah.
All Peruvian chica? Same?
Yeah.
I can kiss with a boy. We're friends.
Yeah, we kiss with our friends. Friendship.
Oh my god.
Yeah, you don't do that.
Yeah, very good culture.
Yeah, very good. Did you record us when we kissed?
Yes?
Yeah, we did.
Very good?
Yeah, when we met at university and when I talked to her, I told her, come to a party. So she came and we kissed.
Yes.
Like,
She kissed me.
No?
no. Yeah. Right now?
Ahora?
No, es que nos están, they're watching.
Yeah, there are a lot of people watching us.
Yeah.
Like in your culture, they don't do that?
No?
Never?
Never. If you have boyfriend, you can kiss another boy?
No.
Just friends, yeah.
If I have a boyfriend,
Yes.
I can kiss her, and that's okay.
Yes. But other
A
boys.
boy, if I tell him, can I kiss him? And he says, okay, yes.
Huh?
And that's okay. Yeah.
But in your country, it's not possible.
Not.
Why?
I have girlfriend. I kiss another girl.
You broke up.
Broke relationship. It's
In
real.
this country, yeah, you can have them. Kiss here is normal. You can kiss with your friend, with another friend, girl or boy. You can kiss them.
It's normal.
Yeah.
Yes? No, too borracha.
No. It's not okay, but you can. Yeah.
Yeah?
What?
Oh my god.
If you want to, you can.
Yeah.
On Saturday on the forum, you can kiss with every girl. You can kiss with her.
And that's okay. Hey, I like you. Yeah, that's good. Okay.
Yeah.
That's okay.
You have to ask her if you
Yeah.
want have sex. Yeah, of course I want. You can. Latinas like everyone.
Feel handsome.
Yes.
No
Yes.
problem.
No problem.
Everyone?
They're like some girl likes you.
Oh my god, he's hot.
You don't have to be worried about it.
I love you. I love
Oh my god. Lesbian. Medusa.
Yeah, we have a lot of the two.
How much this in Arequipa?
300.
300. Very cheaper.
I have
Oh, hot girl.
12 these butterflies, this heart flowers.
Yeah.
It's 777 is
Lucky.
yeah, it's lucky. Mango.
Mango.
Switch. Okay. Maybe.
Yeah, here. It's a flower with flame.
Okay. Hot girl.
This one,
Yes.
this one.
Oh yes. Oh yes.
Angel and a demon. An A
What is A?
for my best friend Adriana. And a butterfly.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, and also an angel.
Oh, also angel.
Yeah. And also I have some here, but no.
Okay.
Private.
You want to live here? Me?
Yeah.
Contigo?
Yeah.
How much? 223 soles. I paying this.
He wants you to recommend him. Yeah,
Cesar. Okay. How much earn per month?
Peruvian.
Yeah.
Minimum is 1,000.
1,000 soles.
Yeah, 1,035 soles.
Per month.
Yeah, it's too little. Normal life, 1,000 is just too little. I earned 2,035.
2,000.
Yeah.
Because you're a genius.
Okay, let's go.
Okay.
Did you like the place?
Yeah. Of
Yeah.
course.
Do you like the people?
I like yours. Ciao, amigo.
Party.
Are you okay now?
I'm drunk.
You're drunk.
No, I'm not. I'm not drunk. I'm just beautiful.
Here very caro.
Yeah.
How to buy souvenir?
We can buy it right now. Yeah, with me.
You want to?
Saturday.
Okay.
Does she go to
Okay.
Saturday,
Saturdays
Here.
we're going to come here.
forum?
Yeah.
Only Friday, Saturday open.
Yeah.
Casona forum.
There is where we're going to go on Saturday.
I hope.
Yeah, we're going.
Yes. 저 친구 일이 끝날 때까지 잠깐 기다리기로 했어요. 여기서.
You're lucky you met me.
I know. I'm lucky guy.
Yeah.
You're me.
Yeah.
Aww. Open relationship.
You have 2 girlfriends in Peru.
You have 2 girlfriends in
Yes.
Peru.
Yeah.
You're so lucky.
Lima 6 girlfriend, here 2 girlfriend.
Wow. Oh, that's so nice.
No, joking.
How are you, man?
¿Cómo estás? Ya,
¿Bien?
todo bien.
Qué bueno, hermano.
Bueno.
Qué bueno.
Yo soy team picante, team spicy.
Yo soy picante.
Where is your hotel?
White cup,
White Cup.
you know?
Yeah. There's a lot of drug people.
Drug people?
Yeah. They consume drugs. Bye.
Ciao.
Ciao. Bye. I saw you on Saturday.
오케이. 집까지 데려다 주네요. 마음도 따뜻하고 착한 사람들이 진짜 많은 것 같아요. 알파카 고기를 한번 먹으러 가보겠습니다. 알파카 고기가 가격이 비싸긴 하던데 궁금해요. 응? 그래, no problem?
Sí,
Sí.
ok.
Aquí? Aquí?
Ah, ok, ahí. Ok, ok.
Ok. ¿Cuánto?
12.
12.
Sí, está barato,
Hombre.
hombre.
10.
Bien,
10.
bien.
Gracias.
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 Una bolsita.
Ay, no problem.
Ah, ya.
Gracias.
Ya.
Chao.
Ya, chao.
이거 사실 안 쓸 것 같긴 한데 너무 좋으신 분 같아서 안 쓸 것 같긴 한데 샀어요. 돈 아끼려고 하다가 어중간하게 비싼 거 먹으면 세트로 하나 큰 거 시키는 것보다 더 비싸게 나와요. 그냥 아싸리 처음부터 비싼 거 시키는 것도 정답인 것 같아요. 어중간하게 찔끔찔끔 먹다 보면 더 낮은 퀄리티를 비슷한 가격에 먹는 그런 상황이 발생할 수 있습니다. 지그재그라는 식당을 갈 거예요. 2층이 명당인가 보다. Hola, buenos días. Sí, sí, uno. Solo.
¿Solo? Sí.
Aquí. 알파카 믹스. 58솔에서 74솔까지 있네요. Beef, 알파카, lamb.
This meat is medium rare. It's medium is okay, it's perfect.
Medium perfect.
Medium is okay.
Okay, medium.
Is the drinks?
No.
No.
Sí.
Okay.
Gracias.
You have any allergies?
No allergies, but no cilantro.
No, cilantro. Okay.
포크랑 칼도 이렇게 간지나게 끼워줘요.
White bread with butter with garlic.
Gracias. 엄청 고급스러운 맛이네요. 진짜 버터가 너무 맛있다. 버터에서 치토스 맛이 나는 것 같아. 아, sí. ¿Yo? 네.
Chimichurri and the butter.
고기 소리 미쳤다. 이게 코르데로라는 거고, 얘가 소고기, 얘가 알파카 고기네요. 오, 눕혀줘야 돼. 알파카 고기부터 먹어봐야겠어. 블랙스톤이네. 이게 소고기 같은데? 모르고 먹으면 그냥 소고기인데? 뒤집어주면서 익히면서 먹어야 돼요. 토탈 62소 올라왔어요. 비싸긴 한데요, 엄청 고급스러운 맛으로 잘 먹은 것 같아요. 제가 돈이 엄청 많지 않은 이상 다시 안 올 것 같긴 한데 돈이 많으면 다시 올 것 같아요. 호스텔에서 일하는 직원인데.
Yo soy de Puno.
푸나.
Sí.
¿Cuántos años?
22. ¿Usted?
29.
¿Qué parece?
Viaja.
Trabajar. Ajá, un mes. Un mes y me vine aquí.
¿Más cuánto tiempo?
7 días.
Más 7 días. Puno. Tú. Oh.
¿Cuánto tiempo es de viaje a Corea? Viaje.
Aquí, 16.
16 horas.
Sí. 16, 17.
17.
¿Te gusta Corea?
Sí, me gusta. Comida. BTS.
Oh.
Blackpink. todo.
Famoso lugar.
Sí.
Oh, yes.
¿Te gusta?
Sí, sí, sí. Tu Universal Student.
Ya acabé. Chef.
Ah, tu chef.
Ah, sí. ¿Quieres ir a Macbook Pro?
Sí. ¿Contigo?
¿Conmigo? ¿Cuándo es su cumpleaños?
9 de agosto.
9 de agosto. Falta poco.
Sí. ¿Tú?
15 de junio. Ya pasó, ya pasó.
Menos 13.
Sí.
Oh.
Este es el volcán.
Ah, volcán.
¿No viniste acá?
Sí. Bonita, bonita.
Sí, ¿no?
Bonita, bonita. Tú bonita.
¿Yo?
Mucho sol.
Sí. ¿Tienes pareja?
¿Novia?
¿Tienes?
No.
¿No tienes?
Sí. ¿Tú?
No.
¿No?
No.
¿Por qué?
Porque estoy trabajando. No
Sí.
tengo tiempo. No hay tiempo.
¿Tú no novio?
No.
¿No?
No.
Never?
Never.
¿Tú 22?
Sí.
Never?
Never.
¿Tú gusta coreano hombre?
Sí.
¿Por qué? ¿Por qué?
Porque ay, me gusta su cultura. Son simpáticos.
Simpáticos.
Bueno, es lo que yo hice. Que está mi inicial.
¿Tu inicial?
Ajá.
¿Yo? ¿Por qué? ¿Por qué?
Ah, no sé.
No sé.
Sí.
Muchas gracias.
Ay, de nada.
¿Yo novio?
En Perú.
Un día novia.
Sí, un día de
Grande shopping.
Yes. ¿Corea también hay esto? Sí. Bueno,
Sí, también. Corea también. ¿Otro?
sí.
얼굴이 내가 아닌데? bueno, bueno. Hola.
¿Le una foto?
Sí.
¿Te gusta?
Me gusta. Linda.
Bonito.
Bonito. Alpaca.
¿Una foto?
No, oveja.
Oveja.
¿Qué es eso?
10? Chao. Mucho caro.
Sí.
Oh. Hola. Bueno, bueno. 카페?
¿Café?
가격이 다 지워져 있어요. 요 aquí. ¿Cappuccino? Bueno.
Vale.
Gracias.
¿Ya?
¿Mm? ¿Delicioso? Rico. Burger, un burger.
8.90 por favor.
¿Tú? ¿Por qué?
Porque es bonito.
Gracias. Yo aquí.
Sí.
Tú.
Vamos allá y yo me voy de ahí.
Oh, novia. ¿Novio viaja a Cusco?
Sí.
¿Oh?
Ay, te voy a enseñar. Ya, yo me voy. Chao. Te cuidas.
Chao.
Chao.
가서?
Sí. Chao.
chao, chao. 제 호스텔 직원이 관심을 갖더니 너 한국인이야? 하면서 엄청 좋아하더라고요. 즐거운 데이트 마쳤네요. 오늘도 영상 봐주셔서 감사드리고 항상 행복한 하루 되세요.